It's Paul Cook from CBM Services, and we're going to talk about gyms. And as you can see behind me here, as I go around, we have a small gym. Most of the buildings that we look after have small gyms. There are some of them that have quite large gyms. So first thing, paper towel dispensers, cleaning and dusting, make sure they are working. We're all gonna have sanitizer and spray. We wanna make sure that it's full. This one's not as full as I'd like it to be. And we've got hand foam sanitizer. Make sure that it's working and that it is full and that it is clean underneath. Clean underneath is really important. Make sure that you dust regularly, getting into the corners and on the baseboards, underneath the equipment, underneath the benches. Dust off the equipment, sanitize. Make sure that it's functioning, and if it's not functioning and there's something wrong or somebody's left a note on it, make sure you get that information to the office so that we can call in the proper repair company to come and get it fixed. These multi-purpose, make sure that all the touch points, everything that everybody touches is sanitized. We use Morning Mist, love that stuff. Mirrors, right? Make sure that they are clean. If we've got a clock, make sure that it's functioning. If you have to, change the battery, or you can let us know and we'll get you some batteries. If any of the posters are damaged or anything like that, make sure that you tell the office any of the rules. If some of these are starting to look a little faded and worn, we could always print some new ones off. If any of the other equipment like the balls are maybe have a hole or something like that, report it to the office so we can get it fixed. Treadmills, super important to get in behind the treadmill and on the floor and to dust these off regularly, which it looks like they need to have a little bit of dusting and cleaning. So we'll get that taken care of the next day. And I think that's pretty much it.